So here we are. Lots of noise. 7:30 in the morning, I'm sure the neighbours will love that. But I thought you'd like to see the concrete being poured. Is it just me, or do you think boys with their toys? It takes 7 of them, and they're all working hard apparently. So that's the 4th, I think actually that may be the 5th load already in. And you'll see if I bring you down, they go around and they put it in thirds. So they put a third in, then they put another third in, another third in during the morning. And I'm not sure whether you can see, but the guy's got a joystick. It's all done for the main arm by remote control. But then they manually just use, obviously you can just see them moving the pipe. So I'm standing in the new workshop. There's going to be a roller shutter at that point, and then a door on this point here. And obviously, as I said, that's all the timber waiting for Monday. Well, don't say that your pastor doesn't get you the good shots. I had to get up early this morning to come and, you know, do this for you, intrepid reporting. So maybe if Kobe doesn't sort itself out shortly, I'll have a new career to get myself into. All right, guys, I'm sure we'll speak later. Take care.